Okay, so something weird has gone on in my garden, and I want to show you. This, believe it or not, is off of my cucumber plants. Every cucumber this year, on all 4 of my plants, have, let's turn this around, turned into these strange cucumbers that I believe have crossbred with my watermelons, even though the internet tells me that that's not possible everywhere I look. So, to prove it to you, out here in my garden bed, I've got one. As you can tell, these are cucumber leaves attached to these strange looking cucumbers. There's a little guy right there growing. This one right here, which has the little spikes like a normal cucumber. I believe the culprit was my watermelon plant here, crossbred with it, which this watermelon has no watermelons on it, unfortunately, but they are strange. So I cut it open here to try it, and they smell like a mix between, strangely enough, a cucumber and a watermelon. So, cucumber melon. Not bad, a little seedy. Kind of tart. Kind of tastes like a watermelon rind with a cucumbery flavor. That part's not very good. Inside's pretty good. So, apparently, I have cucumber melons.